What is the qualification? Interest. That's all. Simple. If you have interest, everything else, other qualification will automatically come. You need interest. You have to be seriously interested. That is your own personal interest. It is not something that can be forced. Not something to be acquired from some external source. No. You know what is Bhagavatam. You know what is the importance. You heard enough number of times the importance. Simply by hearing, all perfection is within your grasp. Simply by hearing. Nicely, with interest. Of course, hearing leads to discussion, leads to reading, leads to seeking some, clearing some doubts, leads to preaching, leads to application of the principles of Bhagavata Dharma. It will lead to all that. That will all happen automatically. First thing is your interest in hearing. And if you're serious, you will come every day, sit properly and hear. Sit or stand or whatever. You'll properly hear nicely. Like I don't see anybody sleeping now. Why? Because you all become very serious now. All become very serious. Nobody sleeping. It's natural. It's very natural, very easy. There is no other secret about this.